Levies are a critical part of all body corporate schemes, funding the maintenance and upkeep of the common property, as well as the ongoing operation of the body corporate. Keeping them as low as possible without compromising the quality and consistency of services and maintenance can be challenging, but it is achievable with a proactive approach from the committee and the residents at large. Here are our tips for keeping levies in check. Regular maintenance and inspections. Preventative maintenance is more cost effective than major repairs. By scheduling regular inspections of the common areas, plumbing, electrical systems, and structural components early, issues can be identified and addressed, avoiding expensive emergency repairs and extending the lifespan of assets. Energy efficiency improvements. Invest in energy efficient lighting, heating and cooling systems for common areas. Install solar panels or explore alternative energy sources to reduce utility bills, such as LED lighting. These investments often pay for themselves over time. Get competitive on contracts. Seek multiple quotes for services such as cleaning, landscaping, and maintenance. Competitive tendering ensures you get the best value for money. Efficient use of resources. Optimise the use of resources like water and electricity in common areas. Implement water-saving measures like water tanks and drought-resistant landscaping, and install timers on lights and irrigation systems. Encourage residents to report any waste or misuse of resources. Get residents involved. Encourage residents to volunteer for small maintenance tasks, gardening, minor repairs, or paint touch-ups to save the body corporate paying for these services. Bulk purchasing. Where possible, buy supplies in bulk to take advantage of discounts, including cleaning supplies, pool chemicals, or landscaping materials. Review the sinking fund. Review the sinking fund and its contributions. Planning for long-term repairs and upgrades helps distribute costs over time, reducing the chance of significant levy increases or special levies or loans. Remove unnecessary costs. Are there any unnecessary costs? For example, an outdated water feature that's expensive to run and maintain could be removed to save the body corporate money over the long term. Educate residents. Encourage residents on how levies work and the importance of cost-saving measures that contribute to savings for the body corporate. Every little bit helps in effectively managing and potentially lowering body corporate contributions while still ensuring a well-maintained property.